I'm Laura.
Glitter is everywhere right now, especially on Instagram.
It also gets everywhere. Literally everywhere. It looks really good.
We're seeing it a lot in hair tutorials, even in like skincare. Like I've been seeing a couple masks. I'm always scared to do like fun things with glitter because I'm sure it'll never wash out or it'll get like stuck to your scalp.
Yeah.
So today we are trying out this new product from IGK. So the shade of this is Meteor.
This one is Moonrock.
This is going to create holographic hair with this shade shifting, glitter packed foam that goes from blue to purple,
Pink to teal.
as your hair moves in the light. Oh, so if you're like trying to impress your mans.
Yeah,
You're like,
just-
oh, what? And it's washable.
Temporary hair color washes out with shampoo, which is like
Perfect.
key.
It's like the cool color with no commitment, really. Okay, so let's try this out. Oh!
Oh, it's really pretty. I can hear it foaming.
Yeah, it's almost like pop rocks. Oh, so I'm gonna apply it with a comb. Look! This is so cool.
Just go for it.
It is so pretty, and it's way more easy to manage by using your hands, but it does feel like you're putting like mousse in your hair, kind of.
Okay, I'm gonna try mine because you're making me like very excited. Let's give it a go. Oh, it looks so different from yours.
Oh my gosh,
It's
love
very
that.
pinky. It's very thin, which I like. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yeah, I feel like I would like just like a few pieces, kind of random.
It leaves residue like on your hands. Just make sure you wash your
Oh
hands.
yeah, it's like very teal. It looks really pink on
No,
my hand.
yeah, I mean, look at
So,
my favorite is right when you apply it. It looks so glittery. BRB.
washing hands.
I have like a tiny bit of glitter still on my hands, but I think that was like me not
Yeah, I didn't really like,
working
go
the
for
soap
it.
in. Yeah, but it like washed off. Don't worry about these guys.
Good thing.
So I actually really like this product for like something fun.
Definitely a nighttime activity.
Definitely Friday night.
Or we were saying Coachella daytime.
Yes. Yours is much more glittery.
Maybe it would work on a different type of hair.
But I mean, who knows? Everyone's different. Like if you have dark hair and you just want like a little hint of something,
Right.
the Meteor is probably more your jam.
But if you're feeling cray, the Moonrock is for you.
Outside
outside it was
especially.
like, it was gleaming.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Main Event. Don't be afraid
Bye.
to try some color.
Glitter.
Bye.